Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here I place my trade call option at this level because this level is very strong level. I know market must close above my entry point. Market will close at this level. That's why I place my trade call option. You see, market has closed on this level. So let's analyze another market here. Here you can see we are in strong uptrend. I'm trading support or resistance. Let me check level. We are trading on levels. Here is very strong area. See, market is rejection from this level. Yes, this is nice area. Let's see. Yeah, we see this is very strong area. So if I see rejection from this level, market is very fast. So but if market go up, here I can see rejection from this level. So if market come to this level, I will place my trade. Market close here because this is the sellers area. Yes, here the whole area here is the sellers area, but market is breaking. Market is breaking the area. You see rejection from this level. I will place call option if I get lower entry point. Low, come down, down, market is not coming down, so no problem here. So another area after this candle, you see this is very nice area here. It's another area. So if market break this area, I'll place my trade call option. If it close at this area, I'll place put option. Let's see if I see rejection. You see rejection, I place put option, but let entry, no problem. I'm expecting this candle to be strong because of past movement. That's why market brought me down strongly, but no problem because this level is very strong level. This candle will be strong, huge candle. Because I can see rejection from this level. We have 17 seconds, and you can see, if you look very carefully, you see this is the pattern here. So this candle will reach this level. So if I'm doing continuation trade, I will place put option again, because I know it will reach this level. But you see, it rejected from the level, but I know the next candle will reach the level. So let's check another one. So now we are doing support and resistance levels, so that's why I will not do continuation trade here. I would have placed put option. So let's check another one here. Here is strong. Yes, it's strong. Here. Yes. Yes, here is nice. You see? But market is trying to break. Wow, it's very fast. But if it comes down, 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 yes, down, little bit, no, down, down, yes, 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 I place my trade call option. I wanted to enter, but at this level, but market took me up, but no problem. I know definitely this level is very, very strong. Market will not come back and close below this level. Market must close above this level. So that's why I place my trade call option. Market will never reverse back to, you see, this is another winning trade, because this is very, very strong level. So this is the end of this video. So I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade at support and resistance. You see, first trade. So that this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share and comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.